Hey guys, Asad Yaqub here with IELTS Speaking Part 1 Practice Questions and Answers. Okay, the next topic is making friends.
How do you usually make friends?
I usually make friends by participating in group activities or sharing common interests. For example, I have met many friends through school, work, or hobbies like sports and reading clubs. I believe being approachable and open to conversations helps in building connections. Showing genuine interest in others is key to forming meaningful friendships.
How did you make friends when you were a child?
When I was a child, making friends was much simpler. I would often meet other kids at school or in the playground and start playing games together. Sharing toys or snacks was a great way to bond back then. Friendships were carefree and mostly about having fun without any complexities.
Do you think it'll be easier or harder to make friends in the future?
I think making friends might become more challenging in the future as people's lives get busier with work and responsibilities. However, technology could make it easier to meet new people through social media or online communities. Despite this, building meaningful connections will still require effort and genuine interaction.
Have you made any new friends recently?
We bonded over shared projects and casual conversations during breaks. One of them introduced me to a new coffee shop and we've been meeting there regularly, okay? It's always refreshing to meet new people and learn about their perspectives.
Have you been keeping in touch with old friends?
We often call or text each other and sometimes meet up for coffee or dinner. Social media has also helped us stay connected despite busy schedules. Maintaining these relationships is important to me because they've been a significant part of my life journey. Okay, guys, so this is how you need to answer the questions. There should be at least 5 to 6 sentences in your answer. Now, we move ahead, and I'm going to take you to another important topic, and that is good view. So, let's get started.
Do you enjoy looking at good views?
Yes, I absolutely enjoy looking at good views, whether it's a scenic mountain range, a beautiful sunset, or a city skyline. It helps me feel connected to nature and provides a sense of peace. I often take photos of such views to capture the moment and relive it later. A good view always uplifts my mood and inspires me.
What was the most memorable view you saw in the past?
The most memorable view I saw was during a trip to the mountains. Standing at the edge of a cliff, I overlooked a lush valley with clouds drifting below me. The sunrise that morning painted the sky in stunning shades of orange and pink. It was a magical moment that I'll never forget.
Do you think you will visit a place with a good view in the future?
Definitely. I plan to visit the seaside soon to enjoy the horizon where the sky meets the ocean. Watching the waves crash against the shore during sunset will be an unforgettable experience. I've always been drawn to places with natural beauty and breathtaking views. It's something I look forward to doing more often.
Have you ever lived in a place with a good view?
Yes, I once lived in an apartment overlooking a park with a small lake. From my balcony, I could see children playing and birds flying around, which was very calming. The sunsets from there were particularly beautiful, with shades of orange and purple lighting up the sky. It was a constant reminder of the simple joys in life.
Have you been looking for places with good views recently?
Yes, I've been actively searching for cafes and restaurants with great views. There is something special about enjoying a meal while admiring a scenic landscape or a city skyline. I recently discovered a rooftop cafe with a panoramic view of the city, and it's quickly become one of my favorite spots. Good views make any experience more enjoyable.